Right, so today, today was a day that I was pretty content with today, and I didn't really do a lot. And I thought, I at least want to do something. So around 12, well, actually, I think I left at like 1:30, to be honest. But I think I aimed around 12. But I just went to Rundle Mall. Just went for a walk down one side, down the other side, and back twice. And then I just went home. But I had a good time.
You finished with this, haven't you?
Oh shit, yeah, sorry.
That's okay. No, I just want to know.
Yeah, we were using that piece. Do you know where it went? We were using that one. Well, yeah or no? Well, I mean, oh yeah. Anyway,
Is it still in the chapel?
That's the thing. I'm asking you.
Oh.
I'll find it. I'll find it tomorrow.
Yeah.
We got home. We did my motorcycle headlights. We measured it once. Measured it twice. My dad measured it, and we still managed to get it out of line. One headlight is like this, and one headlight is like this. And we went, bugger. Doesn't matter though. I've got a replacement one coming for the one that was broken. But yeah, I got working headlights. I don't know, I'm just gonna watch a movie now. Oh, Dad!
Yeah.
Your shit wars might be on.
Speak up.
Your shit wars might be on.
Oh yeah, could you please?
Well, I'll check.
Yes.
But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go and check out this episode for my father. Bye.